Hi there, my name is Mark, and this is Pacific Northwest Solar. Our family has a solar array installed at our property in rural western Washington state, on the west coast of the USA. I've been inspired by other YouTubers to share my experience with our solar array. This video details my results for April of 2023, and I hope it will be useful information if you are considering getting solar at your home. Please also see the link to my separate video that gives more details on our installation, listed below in the description. Here's a picture of our 16 kilowatt ground mount solar array. The solar array is directly south facing in one of our pastures with no trees or other obstructions around it. We have 50Z and shine panels, rated for 320 watts each, with Hoymiles M300 microinverters on the backs of the panels. These microinverters convert the panel's DC output to 240 volt AC power, which is sent back to the breaker panel at the house. There is only one choice of electricity providers where we live. Currently, the cost of electricity from the grid is the same no matter what day or time it's consumed. No time of use rates. Any power generated automatically goes to usage in the house first, and then any additional is automatically returned to the grid. We get a 1-to-1 credit for each kilowatt hour that we send back to the grid. These credits directly deduct from the power we are charged at the end of the month. As you can imagine, the overall idea is to overproduce in the summer and use the credits to reduce or eliminate the electricity bill in late fall and winter months. I am using a Sense device in my electric panel to track power generated and power consumed, and I have written a custom Python program to capture real-time metrics for the entire system that I save and analyze. This is what the Sense app looks like. In case you are curious, you can change the time span of the data shown, from day to week, to month to year. The fully blended cost for electricity in this month, including all taxes, fees, credits, was 11.6 cents per kilowatt hour, which is 9 pence per kilowatt hour for my UK friends. Using this rate, the value of the solar production for this month was $187.28. The cost of my usage was $210.27 at this blended rate. Here's an overall look at the solar production for April 2023 by day. Total production for the month was 1,617 kilowatt hours, with the lowest day being 12.8 kilowatt hours, and the highest being 101.4 kilowatt hours. The overall average production per day was 53.9 kilowatt hours. It seems pretty crazy that the total solar production can vary so much, from 12 to 101 kilowatt hours in a day. Here's a comparison of the April 2022 versus April 2023 solar production. Total and average production was 8% lower in 2023, most likely due to natural variations in the weather, since there weren't any changes in the system setup. As a way of comparison, the PVGIS website suggests that I should get 1,848 kilowatt hours at my location during this month. This number is based on the 100% ideal conditions and perfect solar alignment for the month. Here's some additional details for the highest solar production day, April 29, 2023. At my location, the sunrise was at 5:55 a.m. and sunset was at 8:15 p.m. for a total of 14.3 hours of daylight on this day. Highest 1-minute sampled solar production was 12.9 kilowatts at 1 p.m. Mostly clear day with some patchy clouds during the midday. Here is solar production and actual usage plotted together for the highest solar generation day. The spikes on the usage graph are from the water heater turning on. Here is solar production, overall usage, energy sent to the grid, and energy from the grid on a per-day basis for the month. Usage, in this case, is power used by the house, regardless of whether it came from the solar panels or not. There's some solar production that was sent back to the grid in purple, which is extra production above the needs of the house. This will get more pronounced as we move towards summer. Here is the month-by-month comparison of solar production between 2022 and 2023. The production between the years is pretty much the same overall, with some variation by month. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that other people can view this content as well. Have a great day.